Welcome back to SR Studio. Today tutorials we will learn about the vertical area types tool. It's same for the vertical types tool, but just specific in the areas. I will give you the example. I will create the ellipse, just random ellipse like this, and I will put the vertical types in this ellipse. I will click and drag. If you're just this, click and hold, and then click vertical area type tool and click in the path. This is your text. You can custom the text, or just you can make it in the align center or align to the left. It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is your tabs area type tool. I hope you enjoy it. See you the next tutorial.